Here we have the VitalSleep mouthpiece. The front airway opening here is about 6 millimeters, which is an adequate opening to improve the breathing. The mouthpiece can be adjusted later, but the adjustment and fitting tools could be a challenge for some people. The mouthpiece may not fit as tight as possible due to the open side design required for inserting the adjustment tools. You should expect to pay around $70 for the VitalSleep mouthpiece. The complex fitting tools and possible loose fit make the VitalSleep less than ideal.